Come test drive the 2020 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touch screen display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.